Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of water vehicles that are so cool they'll blow your mind. Get ready to be amazed by the future of fun on the water, because we're about to drop some serious knowledge about these incredible machines. Let's get started. First up, we've got the Hydrofoil E-JETSKI Flyway, and let me tell you, this thing is straight out of the future. Imagine this, you're cruising across the water, wind in your hair, and then boom! You hit a button, and the hydrofoil system kicks in, lifting you above the surface. It's like magic, but it's real, and it's powered by cutting-edge technology. The Flyway uses underwater wings called hydrofoils to generate lift, allowing it to glide effortlessly above the waves. This means a smoother, faster, and more efficient ride, and did I mention it looks unbelievably cool? We're talking about turning heads and making waves literally. Next up is the Iguana Pro Interceptor, a marvel of modern engineering designed to conquer both land and sea with unparalleled ease. This is for all you adventurers out there, those who crave the thrill of the unknown and the excitement of uncharted territories. This amphibious beast can handle anything you throw at it, whether it's cruising across the open water with the wind in your hair, or climbing onto a sandy beach with the sun setting in the background. Imagine this. You're out exploring a chain of islands and you spot the perfect secluded cove untouched by human hands and waiting for your discovery. With the Iguana Pro Interceptor, you don't have to find a place to dock. You just drive straight onto the sand. No more worrying about tides or docking fees. Its retractable tracks provide serious off-road capability, making it perfect for exploring hidden coves, navigating challenging terrain, and reaching places that other vehicles simply can't. Imagine the look on your friends' faces when you show up in this incredible machine. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. This is a vehicle that laughs in the face of limitations, and it's ready for any adventure you can dream up. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, a fishing trip, or an off-road expedition, the Iguana Pro Interceptor is your ultimate companion. Rain or shine, this vehicle is built to withstand the elements. Its robust design ensures that you can tackle any weather condition with confidence. Now let's talk luxury with the Capsule GTF. This isn't just any ordinary watercraft, it's a marvel of modern engineering and design, crafted to provide an unparalleled experience on the water. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a newcomer to the world of luxury boating, the Capsule GTF promises to redefine your expectations. This compact watercraft is like the sports car of the sea, combining sleek design, powerful performance, and a touch of extravagance. Imagine the thrill of navigating through the waves with the agility and speed of a high-end sports car, but on water. The Capsule GTF is designed to offer both excitement and elegance, making it a standout choice for those who crave adventure without compromising on luxury. Imagine yourself zipping across the crystal-clear waters of the Mediterranean, the sun on your face, the wind in your hair, and the envious stares of everyone else on the water. The Capsule GTF is not just a mode of transportation, it's an experience. Picture yourself exploring hidden coves, anchoring at secluded beaches, and enjoying the ultimate freedom that only a vessel of this caliber can provide. The Mediterranean becomes your playground, and the Capsule GTF is your ticket to endless adventures. The Capsule GTF isn't just about speed, it's about making a statement. Its bold, futuristic design ensures that you'll stand out wherever you go. This is a watercraft that commands attention, turning heads and sparking conversations. Whether you're pulling up to a marina or cruising past a crowded beach, the Capsule GTF announces your arrival with style and sophistication. Its futuristic design and luxurious interior will have you feeling like $1,000,000, whether you're cruising to a secluded beach or just enjoying a day out on the water. Calling all adrenaline junkies. The Onan Carver X is an electric surfboard that's about to change the way you ride the waves. This board is equipped with dual jet engines that deliver instant power and acceleration, allowing you to carve through the water with incredible speed and agility. Forget waiting for the perfect wave. The Carver X lets you create your own fun. Imagine flying across the face of a wave, the wind screaming past you as you pull off maneuvers you never thought possible. This board is all about pushing limits and redefining what it means to surf. It's not just a board, it's a ticket to a whole new level of excitement on the water. Last but not least, we have the Earthling Stealth E40, a state-of-the-art electric yacht that's as eco-friendly as it is luxurious. This yacht represents the pinnacle of modern marine engineering, combining cutting-edge technology with a commitment to sustainability. This is for those who want it all. Sustainability without sacrificing performance, luxury without the guilt. The Earthling Stealth E40 is designed for the discerning individual who values both the environment and the finer things in life. Imagine gliding silently through pristine waters, the only sound being the gentle lapping of waves against the hull. This yacht offers an unparalleled experience of tranquility and connection with nature, leaving nothing but a whisper in your wake. The advanced electric propulsion system ensures that your journey is as quiet as it is smooth, allowing you to enjoy the serenity of the open water without any intrusive noise. The Stealth E40 is powered by advanced electric motors that deliver smooth, silent cruising, providing a seamless and enjoyable ride. These motors are not only efficient but also incredibly reliable, ensuring that you can travel with confidence, allowing you to connect with nature without disturbing the peace. Whether you're exploring secluded coves or cruising along the coastline, the Stealth E40 lets you immerse yourself in the natural beauty around you. So there you have it, 5 water vehicles that are changing the game and taking fun on the water to a whole new level. There's a watercraft out there for every taste and every adventure. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. See you next time.